Hello guys, today we are going to do math exercise 4.3. First question is, express each of the following surds in the simplest form. And its first part is under root 180. So we'll just take the find factors of 180. So putting lines and then finding factors. 2 9s are 18 and it will become 90, and 3 threes are 39 and 0 will come as it is was, and 3 10s are, and 2 5s are 10, and 5 1s are 5. So look at these. 2 and 2 are common and 3 are common. We'll not take it as common. We will make them in square form. So now what we will do, now we'll just simply add the, we'll simply put on the value in the square root form. So see, is equal to under root 3 whole square multiplied 2 whole square multiplied by 5. Now we will write them separately. This is not looking 5, but sorry, again writing. Under root 3 square multiply under root 2 square multiply by under root 5. So cutting the square from the square roots, and that 3 multiply 2 multiply under root 5 will remain. 3 2s is 6, so 6 multiply under root 5, and now 6 into under root 5, and it is the answer. It was very simple, not very difficult. You can do it as it is a very simple question. So the next question is 3 under root 162. So we'll, as in the previous question, we will find the factors of 162. 162, 2 8s are 16 and 2 1s are 2. 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are, and 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Look at 3 3 say 3 and sorry, and 3 these and these and these. So we'll take, I'm showing you this 3, this 3, this 3. Okay, sorry, we'll take 3 and 3 as 3 square, and these two, I'll show you, these two square as 3 square. It's simple. So is equal to 3 into under root 3 square multiplied 3 square multiplied by 2. So writing it separately, 3 square multiply under root 3 square multiply under root 2. So square will be cut. Square and square root will be cut. 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiply under root 2. Now 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. 27 into under root 2, and it is the answer. So the next question is 3 divided by 4 into cube root 128. Simply just taking the finding the factors of 128. So 128, 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. And 2 8s are 16. And 2 4s are, and 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. This 2 and this 2 will be taken as square root, under root, not a square root, no square root ni. It will be taken as a whole square, a whole, and this will be taken as into square, and this will be taken into square, and this will remain. Now see, we have 1 2 3, we have 3 things in square, but now we will not take square here because this is cube root, so we'll take it as cube root. These 3 will be taken as cube, and these 3 will be taken as cube. Okay, so now I'm raising it. So only putting the values, 3 divided by 4 is equal to cube root 2 cube multiply 2 cube multiply 2. Start taking it separately, we'll get 3 divided by 4 is equal to by 4 into cube root 2 cube multiply under cube root 2 cube multiply cube root 2, and cube root will cut with cube, and is equal to 3 divided by 4 multiply 2 multiply 2, and multiply under root cube root 2. 3 2s are 6, and 6 2s are 12. It will become 12 divided by 4 is equal to cube root 2. 4 3s are 12, and 3 into cube root 2 is the answer. The next question is 5 root 96 x6 y7 z8. Now we'll take the factors of 96. 3 3s are 9, and 3 now we'll take it by 2. 2 2 4s are 8, and 2 8s are 16, and 2 2s are 4, and 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. We have 1 2 3 4 and 5 2, so we will take these 2 into the power of 2 for a power 5. So I'm raising it. So see, under root 5 into 2 power 5 2 power 5 multiply 3 into, now we'll make factors of x, y, z. We want x5, so we'll multiply x5 dot x and multiply y5 dot y square, and we have zx, so we'll write multiply z5 dot dot z3. It's just common. We will write it into separately. 2 power 5 multiply 5 3 multiply x 5x and x5 multiply 5 into x multiply under root where y5 and multiply 5 into y square multiply z 5 z5 z5 multiply under root 5 z3. So 5 will be under cut by 5 root. Which are similar we will cut, and this with this, and this with this. So it will remain 2 multiply x multiply y multiply z, and into under root 3 multiply under root y square, and not under root y square 5 root into z cube, and z x also multiply x 2 x y z. Now we'll bring all of them in the single bracket square 5 root. It will become x3 x y 3 x multiply y square multiply z cube. Now it will become 2xy z multiply under root 5 3xy square z cube. So 2xy z multiply root 5 3x y square z cube, and it is the answer. So the question number 2, part 1. Simplify. Part 1 is under root 18 divided by under root 3 in multiply under root 2. Simply taking factors of 18. 18 is commonly, we can write it, the 2 9s are, and 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Now we will not take 3 into square form, we'll just make it into we'll just write it separately. We'll not take any change in it. So is equal to under root 2 multiply under root 3 multiply under root 3 divided by under root 3 multiply under root 2. So the main objective of not taking 3 into square was that we can cut this square under root 3 with this and 2 with this. Remaining will become under root 3, and it is the answer. Now I'm giving you the reason. this will remain. So if this remain, this will become the simplest answer. And if we do it in the square, so it will cut off with this and it will remain 3, and it will become 3 under 3 divided by under root 3. So it will not be in the simplest form, or will not give the reason of simplifying the question, because it is very looking in division form and it is very weirdly written. So this is all the answer, and there is 3 in the answer. I can't do it. Okay. So question number 3 is 5 root 243 x5 y10 z15. I've skipped the question number part 2 because it is same like the first part. We'll just take the the common factors 21 and 9 and 63, and not take it, then take it in the square form, and just cutting off the same values, and we'll come to the answer. So this question was that question was very easy. So the next question was difficult, so I said that you can understand it better in no time. So is equal to, take 243 factors, 243 into 3 3 8s are 24, and 3 1s are 81, 3 2s are 6, and 3 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Now we have 3 1 2 3 4 5 3. We'll just take them into the 3 power 5 form. So it will become under root 5 3 power 5 multiply x power 5. Now we will as in the question number 1 part 4, we just simplified it and make the statement changed. So we will do it as y power 5 and y power, or you can do it, this will be this good ones, y power 5 into y power 5 and z power 5 whole into z power 5 into z power 5. So we'll bring in the change 3 power 5 and multiply x power 5 multiply under y power 5 and multiply y power 5 and multiply z power 5 and multiply z power 5 and also getting multiply z power 5. Now 5 will cut with each other. 5 5 5 and 5 and 5 and 5. Now 3 multiply x multiply y multiply y multiply z multiply z multiply z. It will become 3 multiply x square multiply z cube. Now 3xy square z cube, it is the answer. It was not difficult, but some students also confused after seeing this question. It was not very confusing, but everyone is not same, so I have done for them. So next question number 4 is 4 divided by 5 into cube root 125. As usual, we're taking 125 taking 125 factors, and it will become 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, and 4 divided by 5 into cube root 5. 125 is commonly known that 5 cube is 125. I'm not finding its factor. You should know because it is very easy, and it will become 5 cube, and cube and cube will be cut it, and 4 divided by 5 multiply by 5. 5 multiply 5 will be cut it, and 4 will be the answer. It was very easy in this part where it was. This question was very easy in this part number 2. You should know about this. It's very easy. So the question number 2, part 5, is under root 21 multiply under root 7 multiply under root 3. We'll find just factors of 21 because the remaining are in the simplest form. You cannot further find their factors. So 21, 3, 3, 7s are 21, and 7 1s are. So we will write the I'm raising it first of all. So under root 7 multiply under root 3 multiply under root 7 multiply under root 3. We will take all these as square. 7 square multiply. This will not become this square. It will become whole square, and multiply under root 3 whole square. This will be cut off, and 7 multiply 3. 7 3 is 21, and it is the simplest answer. So the next question is question number 3. Simplify by combining similar terms. So its part 1 is under root 45 minus 3 under root 20 plus 4 under root 5. So we will find the factors of the big values. So 45 first. So 45, and we'll take 3, 3, oh, 3, and 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Okay, and then 15, and 3 5s are again, and 5 1s are. So 3 will be written as square. So I'm raising it. So I'm writing is equal to under root 45 3 square multiply by 5. Multiply by 5, and minus 3 under root. Now we'll find the factors 20. So 20 factors, 20 10, and 2 5, and 5 1. We will take 2 in the square form. I'm raising it, so writing it as 2 square multiply by 5 plus 4 into under root 5. Then 3 will come out. I'm not writing it separately. 3 will come out, and under root 5 minus 2 will come out. 2 will come out, and under root 5 will remain, and plus 4 into under root 5. Then we will take these 3 outside, and 5 under root 5 will be taken as common. So I'll show you how to do it. 3 minus 2 into bracket, it is in bigger bracket, plus 4 into under root 5, then is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 4 is equal, sorry, it here is 3 into 2, so I didn't write it, so the here will become 3 2s are 6, and here will be 6, and 3 minus 6, 6 minus 3 is equal to minus 3, plus 4 it will become 1, and under root 5 will remain the answer. So next question is under root 3 into 2, under root 3 plus 3 under root 3. I've skipped the second part because it is also like the first part and not very difficult to do. So this part is equal to under root 3 into 2 and plus 3, because taking under root 3 is common, and that adding 2 and 3, it will become under root 3 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 under root 3. So we will now write it as no space, so it's equal to under root 3. When this will multiply with this, it will become under root 3 whole square. So under root 3 whole square into 5. Then under root 3 whole square, 3 multiplied by 5, and 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, and it is the answer. So the next part is 2 into under root is 2 into 6 under root 5 minus 3 under root 5. It is also easy. 2 into 6 minus 3 and under root 5. Now say 2 into 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 under root 5, and 2 3s are 6 again, and 6 under root 5, and this is the answer. So the question number 4, part 1 is 3 plus under root 3 into 3 minus under root 3. This is the formula of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we will applying this formula is 3 whole square minus, because of the formula we will use the sign minus, and under root 3 whole square. Whole square and the square root will be cut it, and 3 3s are 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, it will become 6, and 6 is the approximate answer. So the next part is under root 5 plus under root 3 whole square. This is the formula of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we'll write it under root 5 whole square plus 2 into a, which means under root 5, and under root 3 I'm not writing because we don't know the value of it, and b whole square. So b is under root 3, so we'll write here under root 3 is equal to 5 square will we cut it 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 3, because sign in multiply, when we combine them we will add the in numbers. So to square and square root will cut it. 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And no, it will multiply because this is not thus the algebraic form. It will multiply and it will become 15, and 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 under root 15 is the answer. So the next question, part number 3, is under root 5 plus under root 3, under root 5 minus under root 3. So the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared plus minus b squared is equal to under root 5 whole square minus under root 3 whole square is equal to 5 square and square root will be cut. 5 minus 3 and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and it is the answer. It is not very difficult. Next question number 4 is under root 2 plus 1 over under root 3. Under root into under root 2 minus 1 over under root 3. The same formula we used in the previous question. It will become under root 2 whole square minus 1 over under root 3 whole square, and square and square will be cut is equal to 2 minus 1 over 3. Now we will take LCM. 2 divided by 1 minus 1 divided by 3, so is equal to 2 divided by 3. It has 1, so 3 1s are 3, and divided by 3, and 3 1s are 3, and 2 3s are 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5 divided by 3. Answer. The next question is under root x plus under root y into under root x minus under root y plus into x plus y into x square plus y. So using the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So x wholes under root x whole square. We will just take these two first for the formula. I'm again writing it. Under root x whole square minus under root y whole square into x plus y into x square plus y, and this is square and square will be cut, and x minus y will remain, and x plus y into x square plus y square will remain. So now we'll take these two, so is equal to x whole square minus y whole square into x square plus y square, and it will become x square minus y square into x square plus y square. So x square 2 square minus y square square, and x4 now we written as x4 minus y4, and it is the answer. Hope you guys like the video and will be able to understand the exercise 4.3 of math chapter, which is algebraic expression and algebraic formulas. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Let's Practice Together. Thanks.